Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about Huazhong University of Science and Technology in China 2026. And I'm your friend Adil Akram. Let's move toward the scholarship and then I will guide you that how you can apply on this scholarship and how you can find your required program. Like for eligibility requirement, they give all of the information on their main page. This is the main website of university. So for master and phd, they mention that your age should be under 35 for master program and your age should be under 40 for doctor programs. And if you are going to apply for chinese medium program, you should have a hsk score. And if you are going to apply for english medium program, you have to give a IELTS score or TOEFL or GRE. And if your last degree is in English medium or in Chinese medium, do not need to provide any language certificate. Okay, so because in application they you have to mention that your last degree is in English and you have to upload your transcript and certificate, so it will be clear there. So once again, I'm guiding that you don't need to provide any kind of English certificate here. Here is a great point, and note that application period, you can see that they just announced on 15th October, and the last date to apply is 2026 1st March. So this is the first step that where you have to make up your application. So before make up your application, I want to guide you some most important things here, like documents for application. What kind of documents you need, like academic certificate, transcript, personal statement, personal introduction video, and study plan. You should be 1000 characters, and a writing sample, a written work submitted for either a grade or publication, language proficiency certificate if you need, and recommend two recommendation letters, and acceptance letter issued by the prospective super is an optional thing. So one more thing, they announced that you can submit your application without professor. So if you have acceptance letter from the HUST University, you can submit it, otherwise you can submit it as it is. And number two is you need a passport and physical examination. So if you want to download a medical form, you can just click it here, you will get a physical examination form, a certificate of non-criminal record. And if you are going to apply for self-funded scholarship, you have to give a bank statement around about more than 5000 USD. Or if you have to apply for scholarship, then you have to submit your application at application form for Chinese government scholarship. So I will guide you all of the things, that how you will get admission letter from a university and then how you can apply for Chinese government scholarships. So these are the fee program, and here they mention about the accommodation. This is scholarship sites. Okay, let's move toward application portal. So step one, there you have to click it here, and then they will show you this page. So before going to this page, these are the program for master and PhD. They mentioned that what kind of degree program that you can apply, like a school of chemistry, like this is for master and this is for doctor. So they mention in schools and programs. So you can look at here, there are a lot of program that you can apply. And for a bachelor students, I will guide you in during a application makeup, that how you can choose your bachelor programs. But these scholarship are basically for a master and PhD. But if you are going to apply for CSC or self for university based scholarship, you can also apply for a bachelor scholarships here. So if you don't have account here, just click on register. So they will send you a verification email in your junk file folder. Then you can click on it and verify your email. Then come back here, write your email which you are already registered here, and click on login here. Because their application makeup is too long, you have to upload your all of the document to fill up the things that I just made my application here. I will directly move you toward the application status. Okay, so next thing is, so what you have to do now, first of all, when you log in your page here, so they will show you that first of all you have to choose program and submit your application. And second thing is that uh, in the same section, in the program section, you can select your bachelor program, your master program, and your PhD program. So in the end, at the end of the video, I will show you that different programs who related to bachelor, master, and PhD. So better for you to watch a full video from beginning to end, then you can get a full information. Because I already have a make a application, I directly go through you that how you can upload your documents here, and what kind of information you have to provide them. For example, the first step here in the application is a study plan. So you can see that I choose a master degree here, so it's an English medium at 2 years, and you have to mention the duration of study, and you have to upload your recommendation letter, your personal statement, your personal introduction video. Your introduction video should be less than 50 MB, so you can just simply that I am from, for example, I'm going to apply for HUST scholarship. So I will say that I'm a director, I'm from Pakistan, my previous degree is like biotechnology, and I'm going to apply for a master degree in a HUST program. So you can give a little short video here. So I already told you that if you have acceptance letter, you can upload it. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. You can see that these are red stars. These are mandatory section, and those section which without a red stars, you can leave them blank here. And after that, you can click on save and next, and then move for second option. This is a personal statement. Sorry, personal information. In the personal information, you have to upload your photo here, and your check your gender, your nationality. You have to provide your passport number, your date of birth, your place of birth, your native language, your higher study. Because I choose a master degree, so therefore I choose the highest level of education is a bachelor. So if you are going to apply for a PhD, then you have to choose a master degree. If you're going to apply for a bachelor, then you have to choose a vocational college or senior high school. Your religion and your permanent address here, and then you have to provide information about your family member, like your father, your sibling, if you want two, three, four, or five, it depends on you. After that, you have to click on save and next. And the third part is about education and employment. So they will ask you, because we mentioned that our highest education is bachelor. So you have to provide information that when you start your degree and when it ended, country, institute, your majors, your degree, your is. Okay, so here you can see that they ask for medium of English, because I choose medium of English, study is English, so you don't need to provide any kind of English letter here. So you have to choose a GPA, a certificate. You have to upload your degree, your transcript here, and did you publish any paper? So if you publish any paper in your bachelor, master, you can choose yes and give them a documents. And I just choose a no. This is a writing sample, you have to upload it here. And this is a work experience, you have any kind of job experience in public job sectors or a private job sector, you have to upload it here. Okay, so here is a proficiency. If you have any Chinese proficiency certificate, you can choose here. And English proficiency, you can see that you can choose TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, ALS, native speaker, or the pre-degree was taught in English, so then I will choose this one. Here you can upload your English proficiency certificate, which you can get from your previous degree, and then you can click save and next. The fourth portion is about the contact information. Okay, here you can see that you can maybe most of the student will think that sir, you mentioned that is about scholarship, but why we need to provide a financial support? So you have to click a financial supporter here, like your father, for the father information, emergency contact, and how to receive admission notice. Because they mention on the degree that if you want to apply for a scholarship, first of all you need to get a admission notice from a university. So here they mention that how to receive admission notice, like by post, by a person, by collect in HUST, or please post it to my new address. You have to provide your information about your location and save and continue. And this section I want to clear one again here. You can see that last option. HUST offer full scholarship to excellent students under a scheme of Chinese government scholarship, cover tuition fee, accommodation, stipend, and medical insurance. And stipend, everybody know that under the CSC is less is 2500 and maximum is 3500 RMBs. So you can get information from the Google here. So okay, let's move back. It's a financial information and emergency contact. After that, then you have to click on other information. In other information, you have to mention about your hobbies, your achievements, and other information survey, that where you get the information, or they ask you about contact information from other social account. If you have, you want to give them, it's okay, otherwise leave it is. And then review and submit. The last option is review and submit. Okay, so you can see that uh, we already fill all of the information and they give a review of our application. You can again read all of the information is correct or not, all documents are uploaded or not, or you can go through the full application. After that, they can show you the submit application. I'm not going to apply for a scholarship because I'm already doing a PhD here. So you can submit your application. Okay, and now one important thing. Therefore, I told you that you have to watch a full video, otherwise you will lose your temper and just come in that you are lying, you are lying, you are lying. Like you can see, there is an application fee, and when you have to pay application fee, first step is we already completed first step, that we submit our application. And second one is choose your program, academic documents, and submit application. Number three, take the online language test in the form of objective question. So when you submit your application on the same portal, next day or maybe next week or maybe next month, they will send you an online test. You have to fill up your own online MCQs test. If you pass that test, then it means that you are admitted in the university, or they will give you a admission notice. But to get a admission notice, you have to pay a fee. After passing the test, it means that if you pass the test, is confirm thing that you already get admission in the university. Pay application fee, and then the application will be forwarded to the relevant school department for academic review, and successful candidate will get a pre-admission letter. And you can use that admission letter for university to issue admission notice and confirmation form for study in China to admission candidate. And you can use that pre-admission letters for scholarship. I just want to show you where you have to apply for a scholarship. You can see this is the Chinese government scholarship system. Simply you can click it here. Because I'm in Taiwan, maybe it's not working here, so I have to apply a VPN, so you can check on your in your country that it's working or not working. Everybody know that where is Chinese government website. Simply you can search on, and where you have to, after receiving pre-admission letter, scholarship applicant should complete application at Chinese government, because you have admission letter from a university. So it's a easy chance for you there to get a CSC scholarship. Or if you want any other information, you can email on this contact Mr. Wang. Okay, one more important thing here. If you think that where we have to pay a fee, like that here, you can submit fee at like a Chinese bank card, Alipay, WeChat Pay, Interbank, and deadline payment is the first March. So almost you have 4 months. So you can submit your application, pass your test. If your test is passed, it's a confirmed thing that you will get admission in your program, and then you will get admission notice and use that admission notice for a CSC scholarship, so you can secure your scholarship. Okay, so now for a bachelor, because I promise you that I will show you your information. I will guide you that how you can search your programs in a system for bachelor, masters, and PhD. Just log in again in a system and give a verification code VPNZ and log in here. You can see that I already have a application. Therefore, in the beginning I didn't show you that how you can choose different programs here. I just click on delete. I delete my file, and see you can choose a program. So when you log in as a new applicant, they will show you first page, that first step, choose a program and submit your application, and then they will show you this page. So here you can choose any program. Like I choose a master, I choose a autumn, I choose a English language instruction. So they will give me all English language program. You can see all are English language program. almost 36 programs they are showing in English. Okay, if I choose a doctor program, same as for autumn and English, and click on search. So all programs are PhD programs are in English, and almost 37 programs they are showing. Okay, for bachelors, click on undergraduate student. Undergraduate or BS student are same. So bachelor, choose that one. Autumn and English, click on this one. You can see that they have almost five programs, like bachelor programs in clinical medicine, biomedical engineering, pharmacy, design, manufacture, automation, telecommunication. So now those student who belongs to computer studies, they can apply in last two programs. And those students who have biology, chemistry related program, they can choose these two four program. So they also mentioned that 6 year, 4 year, 4 year, 4 year, 4 year. So those students who wanna study medical, they can click on a first program, clinical studies. So watch a full video from beginning to end, then you will get all of the information. Simply you can come at here, click on apply, and fill up the application, get admission letter, and go for the CSC. Again, I will show you that about a CSC here. This one, you can go to CSC and submit your application there, or you will get your scholarship. So share this video with your friend, with your family members, with your school fellows in your circle, so they all get these kind of opportunities. And support me, I need your too much support. I just get your support after sharing and a good comment, it's enough for me. Until that time, I remember me in your prayers, and I will come back with a new scholarship for you guys. Allah Hafiz.